Your doors do more than provide entry and exit. They protect your home, support energy efficiency, and contribute to curb appeal. In Layton, where homeowners experience cold winters, warm summers, and seasonal weather changes, doors take on a lot of wear over time. If your current doors are outdated or underperforming, replacing them can dramatically improve comfort, security, and long-term value. Here are the most common signs it's time to invest in replacement doors for your Layton home. You feel drafts near the door. One of the clearest signs you need a replacement door is feeling air movement around the frame. During Layton's colder months, even small drafts can make your home feel uncomfortable and increase heating costs. Worn weather stripping, gaps in the frame, or a warped door can allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. If adjusting the seals doesn't solve the problem, a modern, properly fitted replacement door can restore comfort and improve energy efficiency. Rising energy bills. Your heating or cooling bills have steadily increased without a clear explanation. Your doors could be part of the issue. Older doors, especially those without insulated cores, allow heat transfer more easily. Modern replacement doors feature energy-efficient materials like insulated fiberglass or steel cores, double-pane glass inserts, and advanced sealing systems. Upgrading can reduce strain on your HVAC system and help manage monthly energy costs in Layton's changing climate. Difficulty opening or closing doors should operate smoothly. If your door sticks, drags, or requires extra force to open or close, it may be warped or misaligned. Layton's seasonal temperature fluctuations can cause expansion and contraction in older materials, especially wood. Over time, this movement affects how well the door fits within the frame. Replacement doors are built with durable materials designed to maintain their shape, even with temperature changes. Visible damage or wear, cracks, dents, rust, peeling paint, or water damage are not just cosmetic issues. They can compromise structural integrity and insulation. In Layton, snow, moisture, and sunlight can accelerate wear on exterior doors. If you notice visible deterioration, replacing the door prevents further damage and improves both performance and appearance. Security concerns. Your entry door is a key part of your home's security system. Older doors may lack modern locking mechanisms or reinforced construction. Replacement doors often include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass options. If your current door feels flimsy or outdated, upgrading can provide added peace of mind for your family. Excess noise from outside. If you can easily hear traffic, wind, or neighborhood activity through your door, insulation may be insufficient. Modern replacement doors are designed to reduce sound transmission, creating a quieter indoor environment. For Layton homeowners living near busy streets or active areas, improved sound control enhances daily comfort. Outdated appearance. Curb appeal matters. An aging, worn entry door can make your entire home look dated. New replacement doors are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to complement Layton architecture. Whether you prefer a modern, traditional, or craftsman look, a new door can refresh your home's exterior instantly. Moisture or water intrusion. If you notice water seeping in during rain or snow, your door seal may be compromised. Moisture intrusion can lead to interior damage, mold growth, and costly repairs. A professionally installed replacement door ensures proper sealing and protection against Layton's weather conditions. A smart investment for Layton homes. If you've noticed drafts, rising energy bills, operational issues, or visible damage, it may be time to consider replacement doors. Modern doors offer improved insulation, stronger security, enhanced durability, and updated style. For Layton homeowners, investing in replacement doors is more than an upgrade. It's a step toward greater comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value.